Hey, what's up there, YouTubers? This is Andy with RC Journeys. Long time no see. Uh, it's been a while, but just seeing what's going on with YouTube with RCs. They're blowing up these days. Everybody's doing RCs again, so we're gonna do an unboxing of the F-18. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Let's see what we got here. We all know what that is. Alright, there she is. One of the cheapest cars on the market right now. Let's see if I can get it out here. Yeah. Sorry about the camera, guys. And there she is. The 1/12 scale F-18 F650 Superpower racing model. Wow. It's a 1/14 scale, excuse me. Comes with 7.4 battery, 4-wheel drive, hydraulic shock, servo, and is brushless. Let's see if we can open this bad baby up. Give me 1 second here. Alright guys, we got it out of the box. Let's see here. Looking good. Got a bunch of spare parts here. Pretty sure these are the batteries. Let's see what we got here. It's got one. It's kind of weird. There's only one tire. Maybe it's a whole set, I think. That's kind of weird though. They're like super small. Huh, I don't know. We'll see. But there she is, guys. Let's get all this stuff out the way for now. There it is, guys. Check it out. And she looks sweet. Yeah. Looks pretty cool. Alright. Not bad. Let's open her up and see what we got inside. Oh, lost the pin already. Oh, I get it. Boom. Wow. We got, not sure what kind of motor that is. I think it's a 3000 kV. We have battery. One battery. Yeah, sure, it's I guess 7.4, yeah, 1600 milliamp. Cool deal. Not sure what kind of ESC that is, but it looks like a combo. Wait a minute here. Oh, it's a 3-wire servo, so it's looks like it's been upgraded. No. Now I have to change that if I change the electronics, maybe. I don't know. It is a 3-wire servo, so it might work. But this is the ESC and the receiver together. Oh, she's pretty nice though. Check it out. Ooh, there's the other wheels. Oh, this is the remote. Okay. Alright, check her out. That is nice, guys. That is nice. Look at the size of that freaking drive shaft. That is a really thick drive shaft, guys. And this thing got some weight to it, too. Turn it upside down. Full metal chassis. It's already got metal arms. Everything's adjustable. Camber links, toe. The front is the same. Camber links, toe. Everything's the same. Pretty awesome, guys. Wow, this thing weighs, I don't know. It's got a lot of weight to it. 3 pounds, maybe? That's got a lot of weight. But, yeah, there she is. Let's see what else we got in here. This is, oh, these are the extra tires. 1 second, guys. Let me get this out. I'm doing it one-handed. Alright, guys, I'm back. So included, you know, your standard regular cheapy. Feels pretty good though for it's a fly haul. Never heard of it. Okay, but you know, as long as it does its job. Got some more on order. I got more stuff ordered for this, just hasn't come in yet. Got the big giant tires on here. Cool deal. Let's see what else we got in here. In our bag of goodies, that's probably the remote. This is an extra battery, maybe? Well, I gotta cut that open. Got some spare parts here. Looks like USB charger. I'm sure that's like a front guard. A couple extra pins because I already lost one. That's a good idea. Pretty cool. We got another set of yeah, wheel screws. Silver. We got black ones. Awesome deal. And of course your trusty manual here. Alright, looking good. But also I have ordered here. Alright, let's see. 1 second here. Alright, let's see what's in this box here. I bet it's another battery. And yes it is. I sent us 2 batteries. They even sent us some 3M. I guess to stick the battery in. So we got 2 batteries. Cool, I bet there's a plug in here. I wonder, no, they didn't include the plug for to run them in series. No, I'm just gonna have to run one at a time. But you know what? I'm not worried about that because I also ordered another battery. Oh yeah. Yep, I also ordered another battery. Alright, there we go. It's a 3-cell. I'm not sure what the brand is. Oh, it's a Zap Power. LiPo 1500 11 or 3-cell 40C. So we'll see how she runs on 2-cell, and then we'll see how she runs in this 3-cell. And to charge all that, definitely not going to use this cheapo thing. What else we got here? A bunch of packages. Get rid of all that. What else we got in here? Told you guys I ordered a bunch of stuff. Let's see. Oh, we got some adjustable motor mounts. Yep. I'm not sure if that's the same. I'm gonna have to check it out because I eventually want to change the motor. I want to make this 100 mile an hour. Try to make a 100 mile an hour club. Everybody else is doing it, so do I. And Sorry guys, I'm doing this one-handed in my backyard. We have the Gens Ace LiPo charger. Actually, it charges whatever kind of batteries. And they said it's pretty good. It's a smart charger, 100 watt. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Brand new. It's got some good reviews. So we'll check it out in my other videos. Gotta see what else we got in here. We got the Gens Ace. Oh, look at that. We have some different for different kind of batteries. That's I'm definitely going to need that for my stuff. We got the balance board here and the AC plug. All right, that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, we'll check that out on my other videos. I know it's been a long time, guys. I'm sorry. Just now started getting back into this stuff, so I would appreciate your support. You support me, I'll support you. Like, subscribe. You know, guys, we all gotta help each other out here. I thought I ordered 2 of these. I'm not sure where the other one went. Thought I had 2 of these. I'm gonna have to look for it. But anyway, yeah. So we got all that stuff going on. Of course, we got our car here, and we're gonna check it out and see how she runs. I don't know. Might have to kind of smooth. One thing they say about these cars, though, that the diffs are dry. So I'm probably gonna have to pull the diffs, make sure they have oil before I start running this thing, to make sure nothing locks up. But I'm also gonna order some extra diffs, because definitely gonna make this a 100-mile-an-hour car. So thank you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate your guys' support. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to check all this stuff out here. Not too bad back there. Not bad. This side's really bad. I wonder if it just needs to be tightened. Probably. Yeah, we're just gonna go through the car, make sure everything's nice and tight, good, ready to go. And my next video will be it running. We'll try 2-cell, and then we'll try our 3-cell and see what happens. And yeah, here to go, guys. But yeah, this is the cheapest car on the market right now. I think I bought this thing for 90 bucks. And guys, I'll tell you what, for 90 bucks, it looks pretty sweet. Metal chassis. I'm telling you guys, it's freaking awesome. So yeah, if you can, you better get you one before they sell out. Because this one I found, this one was like the last one. So better get yourself one, guys, before they sell out. Definitely want to get the other one with that has a center shaft. I think it's the 110401, which has a center shaft, or center drive, I should say. But yeah, wow, look at that. It's even got a cap on it too. See that thing sticking out there? It's got a freaking cap on it. No shit. Cool as shit. Alright, guys. Well, thank you for your time. Next time you see me, we'll have this baby running. Alright? This is Andy with RC Journeys, where every day with an RC is a journey. Bye for now.